The COVID-19 pandemic forced a rapid shift to hybrid learning, challenging students and educators to adapt to new technologies and teaching methods. Despite struggles with digital access and engagement, the transition improved digital literacy, encouraged student collaboration, and increased acceptance of technology as a vital part of the educational learning environment. Hybrid learning became essential during the COVID-19 pandemic, allowing education to continue with reduced physical contact. Students and teachers worldwide had to quickly adapt to digital tools and new teaching methods, facing challenges like technology access, rapid upskilling, and maintaining engagement. This essay examines how the pandemic influenced the adaptability of hybrid learning in the PIEH and explores strategies to ensure it remains a practical, effective approach, particularly in preparing for future disruptions. It provides a golden opportunity for technical independence as it is an essential means of our lives. Problem statement. How has the COVID-19 pandemic affected the adaptability of hybrid learning styles for students and staff post-lockdown? What challenges did students and staff face when transitioning between online and in-person learning after lockdowns? How have institutions modified their teaching methods or technologies to support hybrid learning post-pandemic? What differences exist in adaptability between various students and staff demographics? Example, age, field of study, tech skills. Lastly, how has the perception of hybrid learning effectiveness changed amongst students and staff since the end of lockdowns?
We used a human-centered qualitative research approach. Our goal was to explore how students and staff adapt to post-pandemic hybrid learning environments and uncover deeper issues beyond surface level discomfort and access. Contextual inquiry and design thinking helped guide our exploration. We focus on what real users feel, face, and expect in a learning environment now. This let us go beyond poorly designed studies areas or doors and into how behavior, design, and learning intersect. We conducted interviews, campus walkthroughs, and surveys with first-year students and staff. We focused on safety, accessibility, and engagement. Looking at broken systems like automatic doors, inefficient study spaces, and seating discomfort, journey maps and infinity diagrams helped us connect these findings. We gathered data from real experiences, what people struggled with and when. That gave us a grounded, real-world foundation for our design exploration. We applied empathy maps, personas, and scenario planning. These tools helped us humanize the data, see emotional and behavioral patterns, and visualize user experiences more deeply. We built personas and mapped out student journeys, focusing on where designs failed them. This gave us a deeper insight than stats alone could offer. We used the frame innovation model to reframe the core problem. 4 sites helped us plan future-proof solutions. We also benchmarked other universities and industries for ideas in flexibility, safety, and tech infrastructure. Frame innovation moved us from fixing to redesigning. This made our design adaptable not just for now, but for future disruptions too.
Results. Automatic door malfunctions and safety protocols. The research revealed critical safety concerns regarding the automatic doors at the PEIH campus. A significant gap was found in user knowledge, with 9 out of 10 students and 2 out of 5 staff unaware of proper protocols in the event of a malfunction or power outage. The study highlighted that these doors, which were initially implemented during the COVID-19 pandemic to minimise physical contact, lack an essential manual override feature for emergencies. This gap in safety was alarming and underscored the need for manual override options in future designs to ensure user safety during power failures. Recommendations include updating building systems to incorporate manual overrides to improve safety and usability. Technology access and device charging gaps. Surveys conducted with students at PEIH revealed that a significant number of students face challenges related to device charging, particularly in classrooms and study areas. This issue intensified for new students unfamiliar with campus systems and facilities. The lack of Type-C chargers in certain areas creates a noticeable barrier as students with modern devices struggle to carry their equipment. This issue highlights a larger overlooked gap in educational technology infrastructure. Implementing more charging stations and upgrading facilities to meet the technical needs of students will address these gaps and improve the overall campus experience, ensuring that even small details such as charging access are considered in the future designs. Overcrowding and space inefficiencies in the amphitheatre. This study identified significant overcrowding and spatial inefficiencies in the PEIH amphitheatre. Students reported backstrains and difficulty focusing due to poorly designed seating arrangements. Originally constructed during the COVID-19 pandemic, when fewer students were expected on campus, the space was not designed to handle current demand. The findings suggest that the amphitheatre can be optimised by installing ergonomic seating with back support, utilising underused areas for additional seating, and redesign the layout to accommodate future building hybrid learning models. These improvements would not only increase comfort and capacitability, but also enhance student focus. Future research could extend to exploring similar issues in other campus space to ensure optimal utilisation of university facilities.
What we learn, hybrid learning infrastructure still reflects outdated pandemic-era needs. Students and staff face challenges in safety, accessibility, and everyday usability, so hybrid learning kept education going during lockdown. Many of its physical remnants now cause more problems than solutions. We have outgrown them. Insight. Design flaws like poor ergonomic study spaces, lack of charges, and poor signage undermine inclusivity and adaptability in physical space. Our tools like empathy maps and surveys show that small oversights add up to big frustration. These aren't just inconveniences, they block access. Recommendation 1. Adaptability. Update outdated infrastructure, fix broken equipment, added manual overrides to automatic system, and redesign learning spaces for comfort and flow. Simple, durable fixes can prevent future disruption. Flexible layouts and safe manual features are essential for inclusive, responsive design. Recommendation 2. Take accessibility. Added universal charging hubs, maintain adaptive furniture, and make signage clearer. Tech access should be seamless, not frustrating, as device usage increases. Campuses must evolve. If students can't power up or get clear instruction, their learning is directly impacted. Future outlook. Design must shift from reactive to proactive. Use foresight, feedback, and frame innovation to keep learning spaces future ready. Our final insight in that don't wait for the next releases, build environments now that can adapt, support, and grow with their users.